Welcome everyone. So this is something which I set up last year where we get to experience beekeeping. We've got 17 members, 5 hives. That big hive behind me, probably 50 to 60,000. So yeah, serious amounts of bees. August is an interesting time for us. They'll have had the whole of spring when the first flowers came out, and then the whole of July and the start of August where the second load of flowers come out, to really collect all the nectar and the pollen that they can to build up their stores and build up their hive ready for winter. We're making Dyson honey coming from our local area, trees and wildflower meadows and hedgerows and the like, yeah. So here we are. We've just taken the wax off the frames, and now we've just spun the frames out. And this is the first of this year's honey. Lovely golden nectar collected from the fantastic fields and hedgerows. It's been a group effort of 17 of us in total. 0, 0, 1.